If I didn't show you, you'd never believe I cooked this mouth-watering steak using just an air fryer. But with this lineup of flavor-packed ingredients, kosher salt, brown sugar, ground mustard, ground coriander, paprika, espresso powder, ground black peppercorns, and chili powder, you'll be cooking like a boss in no time. Oh, and don't forget my secret ingredient. I call it the white stuff. It takes this recipe to a whole new level. For the full recipe, check our Instagram or send us an email. Start by generously coating the steak with the seasoning. Preheat your air fryer, then carefully place the steaks inside. Thanks to the turbo blazing technology, they'll cook perfectly in just 8 minutes. It's truly unbelievable. Once cooked, that sizzling sound is like music to my ears. To enhance the flavor even more, I like to grab the steak juices from the bottom of the air fryer, mix with some butter, and use them as a delicious gravy. It's the perfect finishing touch to a perfect dinner. Keep cooking, my friends. I thank God for this amazing food.
Delicious. If you don't have an air fryer yet, click it right here.